Okay, let's talk about how we can solve a system of equations using the elimination method. Again, there's different types of methods you can use to solve system of equations, and elimination is one of them. And like the name suggests, you're going to want to eliminate one of the variables from the beginning, okay? So the first step is to make sure that each equation is lined up according to like terms. So as you can see, we have x's over x's, the y's over y's, and then we have our constants over here. And so if we add these two equations together, we can cancel one of the variables out, and that would be this one right here. The y's would cancel out. Negative 2y and a positive 2y is 0, so it cancels out. X plus 5x is a 6x, and this is equal to negative 19 plus 1 is negative 18. We're going to solve for x now, and then we get x to equal negative 3, and that's half of our solution. Now we have to figure out what y is to get the other value there to complete the ordered pair. And so we're going to take the negative 3, just like we did for substitution, and use this into one of our original equations. So I'm going to take this negative 3, I'm going to choose the top equation to plug in for x, plug in for x. So when I rewrite the equation, I'm putting negative 3 minus 2y equals negative 19. I'm going to solve for y now, adding 3 to both sides. Rewriting the equation, get negative 2y equals negative 16. One more step to solve for for y is to divide by negative 2. And then we get y is equal to positive 8. And that is our y value in the ordered pair. And so that is our solution. Negative 3, 8 is our solution. And that is our method using the elimination method.